Hi, so I'm with Bangalore Beast point guard Abhishek John, and today is the day of the semi-finals. Bangalore Beast unfortunately has been knocked out, but Abhishek John surprised us and with his awesome clutch threes. So he's here with us. Hi, Abhishek.
Hi.
Yeah. So Abhishek, can you first tell us about your own playing days? When did you start playing basketball? How did you get into basketball?
Okay, I started playing when I was in 8th, about 14 years old. Shifted to a location where there was a coach close by. So my coach, Dr. Nagappa, he's taught me everything I know about basketball. So it's been about 14 years that I've been playing, and played college level, played nationals a couple of times. But this is the highest level I've played. Really happy that the Pro League has been set up here.
Yeah. So did you ever think that, so growing up for everybody who's into basketball, the dream is to play professionally. So did you ever see this as happening for you?
I always wanted to play pro basketball. So actually, after my graduation, I went to the US to get to do my sports management and try and get a scholarship.
Okay.
But that didn't work out. So I came back here and did my MBA. I always wanted to play a pro basketball, but I didn't think it would happen so fast in India, knowing the situation how it is in India. But it is a great platform that the UBA set up for youngsters.
Yeah. And Bangalore itself is a young team this time. So what do you think are the pluses and sort of negatives for your team going forward?
The pluses, we are youngsters, so there is a lot we learn from this tournament. We have a lot of years ahead of us.
Okay.
And also TJ Sai played for the Bangalore team, so he's the most experienced player playing in the UBA right now.
Okay.
So there are a lot of pluses and minuses you learn from him, so it's a great opportunity to have played with him.
Yeah. So coming specifically again to TJ Sai, what is your impression of him? Because obviously TJ Sai has this whole persona around him. So as a teammate, what did you get to learn from him? Because you're a point guard yourself. So any specific sort of you got from him as a point guard?
One thing which he showed is he had great confidence in himself. Okay, but I would say a little too much. And as a point guard, what I've learned on what I know is you get others to play.
Right.
You make the team play, and it's not about you. And but TJ can score.
Yeah.
He can score. He's a brilliant player. He can score. But what I've learned is don't keep the ball too much. Give it around. Trust your teammates.
Yeah.
Get them all involved, and then we'll see better results.
Yeah. So one of the main sort of problems, I'm sure you agree, in Indian basketball is that up to school, college, there are so many players, but suddenly there's a drop off because there's no professional opportunity. So, and you work in Wipro. Can you tell us what your daily schedule is like? What your position is, what designation in it?
So answering the first question, where there are a lot of dropouts after college, because there is no platform for them to perform.
Yeah.
So you finish school, you finish college, there's nothing to look forward to.
Yeah.
Apart from your local club tournaments, which actually don't give you anything in return. So there are majority of people who drop out once their college gets done. Coming to the second question, yes, I do work for Wipro. So my schedule is wake up early, hit the gym, say thrice a week, and hit the basketball court 6 days, if not 7 days a week.
Okay.
Get to work around 9 o'clock, finish work by 8, come back, again start.
But what keeps you motivated? Because you obviously none of us knew this pro league is happening until this year. So what kept you motivated to keep playing? Because a lot of people stay fit, but to be like match ready and to be able to perform on the court, what drives you to do it? Because there's no reason for you to do it, right? So
It's sheer passion and love for the game. You love the game, you would do it no matter what.
Okay.
So there is a certain age up to which you can play, you can perform. So I have a couple of years left, thankfully, 5-6 years left.
Okay.
So I want to give my best those 5-6 years, and then probably move on to coaching or probably setting up an academy. So those are the plans. Visit eklavya.com for all your basketball news.